What's the meaning of capacious? Capacious. Capacious.
Capacious. Capacious. The word capacious refers to the quality of being spacious or roomy. It describes something that has a lot of space inside and can accommodate a large amount of things or people. A capacious room, for example, would be a space that is able to hold many people without feeling cramped. Similarly, a capacious bag would be one that could fit many items inside without being overloaded or overstuffed. Overall, capaciousness connotes a sense of comfort and simplicity due to the abundance of available space.